Okay. All right. So, first of all, let me just thank all of you for making time to attend this webinar. So I know this is late and this is way past the working hours. So, yeah, I just want to thank you very much for making a time. And I would like to thank you as well for Pak Taufik, Bang Rezi, Pak Abrar for the opening remarks and an intriguing session that we just had right now. So, now, um, me and also my colleague Fakhriza and Nika would like to introduce you to our upcoming event, which is the Scale Up Hackathon, right? So let me just check, Nika, if you can. Okay, right. So yeah, so this is the background of why we have this hackathon as well. I think Barbara has laid out some foundation that leads to this slide as well, right? That AI is the tool of the present, not the future anymore. And yeah, as you can see as well, the surveys shows that we are growing in terms of AI implementation in our industry. We were growing by a magnificent rate of 12.6% year over year. And the way AI has been implemented in our industry has touched many domains, right? It's coming from the exploration to the drilling side and also in the reservoir production side. And yeah, just reiterating what Abra has said, the development of Gen AI has made AI more immersed into our day-to-day life. And even maybe in the next year or two, we can say that the next programming language is not the Python, the C sharp, the R anymore, but it's English or Bahasa Indonesia, as you can say. So that is why we have this hackathon, right? So this hackathon is called Scale Up 2025, and it stands for sort of competition and learning to unlock the potential that we have. So it is a joint event by SPE Java Indonesia section and SLB. So in this hackathon itself, we will have two rounds. We will have the elimination round, which is a leaderboard-based hackathon where you will compete to gain the highest score in order to pass to the final round. And in the final round itself, you will be given access to the industry-leading data science platform, which is called Data IQ. And then we will have themes for you to select on, and you will be given an opportunity for 2 months to innovate on the critical domains, right? You can select the reservoir and production, and you can maybe you can create a Gen AI solution out of that. You can create physics informed AI. So the possibility is limitless. And in those 2 months, you will be given a mentorship from the experts, both from SLB and also from SPE. And at the end of the hackathon period, you will be given a chance to showcase your solution in the demo day. So, okay, oops. Okay, so this is the timeline of the hackathon itself. So right now we're at the introduction webinar, and we will open for registration from tomorrow. So this is a slight correction because we're still maturing the registration process right now. So we'll be starting registration from tomorrow at 1 p.m. So take a note. And then we will open the registration until the end of the February, the 21st of February right now. And then once you are all verified to join the hackathon, we will have an onboarding webinar where the rules of the elimination round, the how to of the submission process will be explained in that webinar. And then the elimination round itself will be held for 2 weeks until the 17th of March. And yes, we are aware that this is in Ramadan. So that's why after the elimination round, after the top 15 teams, which will go to the final round, is announced, we will take a break, right? So we will take a break until the middle of April, where in the middle of the April, we will start with training you guys. So whenever you pass to the final round, we will have a data IQ workshop to introduce the data science platform, to have a training on how to use it, how to develop an AI workflow, and to use its LLM mesh. So in that IQ itself, we have the capability to utilize the large language model to train the LLM to do some prompt engineering, to do an RIG workflows, even to do agentic workflows. So we will train you on those in that period. So from the DLIQ workshop, you will be given a hackathon period from 17th of April to 18th of June to prototype your solution, build the deliverables to be presented on the demo day on the end of June. Okay, so this is a long journey, but I am sure that the journey will be engaging and it will be very, very rewarding for you guys because you will not only get prizes and recognition if you won, you will also gain a network with the people you met along the way. You will get some mentorship, and of course, you will leverage your skills, both the soft one and also the hard skills on AI and the domain knowledge itself. Okay, now we have some rules about the eligibility. So you can register as a professional team or as a challenger team. Okay, so the professional team is representing one legal entity from Indonesia's energy operator company. So let's say you're from company A, right? So you can register as a company A, and the company A can comprise of 3 employees from company A, or it can be comprised of minimum 1 employee from company A plus 2 active students or job seekers. So your company team can be represented by all the employees from that company, or it's a mix between the employee and also active students or job seeker in a professional team. And this professional team will be narrowed down to the top 10 teams in the elimination round. So the question is, if I'm a company A, can I send more than one team? And the answer is yes. So company A can send the team A and team B of that company, but the one that will be given the pass to the final round will be the top rank of that company team. So you will be ranked also within your company, and then we will take the top rank of your company to be passing to the final round. And so what if you're all students, right? So we also have a challenger team category where all of the participants in this challenge team will be active students and or job seekers. And it can be from different universities and different majors. Okay. And this type of team will be narrowed down to top 5 team in the elimination round. So this is just for the elimination round mechanism. Once you are all passed into the final round, there are no difference between the professional team and the challenger team. Okay, so yeah, so we have this mechanism in our registration website that Fariza and Nika will demonstrate to you. If you don't have a team right now, don't worry because we have a mix and match feature. So you will just need to register as a professional, for example, and if you don't have a team yet, you can create a team in that website, and then people who register as a student, for example, will see your team that is enlisted, and then they can apply to your team, and then you can see the applicant CV, and then you can accept or reject the applicant. Okay, and then what if you already have a team? If you already have a team, for example, you already have friends to team up, then one person could just register, create a team, and then the other can register as well, and then just join the team, like just apply to that team and then approve your friends. But Fariza and Nika will make it clear by the demonstration at the end of the session. So what is categorized as professional, student, and job seeker? I think the details can be right here and also the website. So we consider professionals as people currently working for an energy operator company in Indonesia. And he or she has a valid company email address, and there will be a verification workflow when you register. And yeah, this is an SPE event, right? So this is a free event, but we encourage you to register for SPE membership if you haven't. So if you're a student, please contact your SPE SC and then register to your SPE SC. And if you're a professional, register to SPE.org and choose SPE Java section as your local section. Okay. And if you're a student, we define student as a currently enrolled active student with a valid university email. And if you're a job seeker, we consider a job seeker the one who has graduated from university within the last 2 years and is currently still seeking a job or already have a job but not working for an energy related company. So if you're, for example, you're working in a bank and you're not 2 years from your graduation time, then you can still be eligible as a job seeker. But again, you will still need to register as an SPE member. Okay. All right. So moving on to the elimination round. So this is the first round that you guys will compete on. So the elimination round will be 2 weeks. It will be a score-based hackathon, and we will take the top 10 professional plus 5 teams. All right. We will give you a data set to work on. We will give you the case, and you will need to create a model locally and submit your prediction to our website. And yeah, this will be explained in details in the onboarding webinar. And you will see a leaderboard. So what you need to do is just to climb the leaderboard. You will have a submission limit of 15 submission. And then, yeah, within that 15 submission, you need to climb the leaderboard as high as you can. Right. And this is the final round. So the final round will be 2 months, and it will consist of prototyping in .iq, the data science platform. So we will give you a list of the public data set that you can use. And of course, you're free to use outside of the list. But by giving you the list, at least we provide some help for you not to confuse yourself, right? And then we will give out the problem statement for the domain that you choose. So when you create a team at the start, you will select one of 4 problem statements that we have, okay? And then you will prototype the solution in order to solve that problem statement as creative as you can. So when you prototype using .iq, at the end of the hackathon period, we expect you to deliver the .iq project, a web app to visualize your product, chatbot. So we will train you on LLM recipes, right? You are free to do any workflows with that. It can be an RAG workflows. It can be an agentic workflows. But at least what we want to see is you have a chatbot that complements your web application. And worry not, the step to create a chatbot is very, very easy. We will show you how to do that. And it's already being implemented in .iq. And we will also expect poster and presentation. So we will publish your poster on social media, and you will present your presentation in demo day in a TED style presentation, right? Yeah, so in the final round itself, you will also have expert guidance. So apart from the .iq workshop that you will get at the beginning of the final round, you will also be assigned a mentor for your group that you'll be able to have a biweekly meeting with, and then and on that meeting you can refine your ideas, you can refine your prototype, and get the best solution that answers the problem statement in a very value-added way. And you will be judged based on your innovation, the technical feasibility, the scalability of the solution, and the potential impact in our energy domain. Okay, so yeah, so this is the prizes and the recognition. So you will get some amount of money or goods worth of the money, right? And then for the first winner, you will also get a voucher to get on board on our SLB Next training. And for all the 3 teams that win, you will get SP recognition. So we're trying to publish this hackathon and also the winners on a JPT publication. You will also get 1 month of .iq data science platform access if you're part of the winners. And if there are any students in the teams, there is a very high chance that we will be offering you internship opportunities. And yeah, worry not if you're not winning any of the 3, you will still get certificate, you will still get the souvenirs and the t-shirt from the demo day. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so I think that's all for the details of the hackathon. After this, Fariza and Nika will demonstrate to you how to register in our platform. And yeah, don't forget to register tomorrow. So the registration will open at 1 p.m. tomorrow Friday, February 7th. And you can open our website at scale-up2025.com. And don't forget to follow our social media because all of the updates will be posted there. And yeah, I can wish you all good luck. And yeah, maybe I can pass it to Farizanika.